Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Radio English. I am Josh.
And I am Carla. We are so happy you are here with us today. Josh, I have a question for you to start the show.
Oh, I love questions. What is it?
Do you have a friend who is always late? Like you say, let's meet at 5, but they arrive at 5:30?
Yes, Carla. I think everyone has a friend like that. My friend Mike is exactly like that. I tell him the party starts at 6, even if it starts at 7.
That is a great trick. Well, listeners, today our topic is everyone knows someone like this. We are talking about describing people, their personalities, and their daily routines.
This is perfect for our A1 learners. We're going to use easy words, but we're going to tell some very funny stories.
Exactly. We want you to listen to how we describe our friends and family. Think about the people in your life. Do you know someone lazy? Do you know someone very, very busy?
Today, we are going to dive deep. We aren't just saying he is nice. We're going to describe what a nice person does every morning. We are going to talk about the smells of the kitchen and the sounds of the office.
So grab a cup of coffee, sit down, and enjoy. This is Radio English.
Okay, Carla, let's start with routines. I'm an early bird. Do you know that expression?
I do. An early bird is a person who wakes up very early and has a lot of energy in the morning. Is that you, Josh?
That is me. Every single day, my alarm clock goes beep, beep, beep at 5 a.m.
5 a.m.? Josh, that is the middle of the night. That's terrible.
No, it's beautiful. The house is very quiet. I get out of my warm bed. I put on my soft blue slippers. Then I walk to the kitchen. I love the smell of the kitchen in the morning.
What do you do first? Do you eat breakfast immediately?
No, first I make coffee. I have a silver coffee machine. It makes a loud noise, grrr, when it grinds the coffee beans. The smell is amazing. It smells like energy.
I like the smell of coffee, but I don't like 5 a.m. What is on your plate for breakfast?
I eat the same thing every day. I'm a very organized person. I have 3 large eggs. I fry them in a small pan with a little bit of butter. I like my eggs sunny side up. Do you know what that means?
Yes, it looks like a little sun on the plate.
Exactly. And I have 1 piece of brown toast. It is very crunchy. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I sit by the window. I look at the trees. I see the sun come up. It is very peaceful. This is my productive personality.
Wow, you are very different from my brother Leo. Leo is a night owl.
Tell us about Leo. What is a night owl's routine like?
Leo is very messy and very slow in the morning. His alarm goes off at 8 a.m., but does he get up? No. He hits the snooze button, click. 5 minutes later, beep. He hits it again, click.
He sounds like a lazy person in the morning.
He is. He finally gets out of bed at 8:30. He doesn't make a nice breakfast like you. He is always in a hurry. He looks for his keys. Carla, where are my keys? Carla, where's my phone? He is very disorganized.
Does he eat?
He eats a piece of cold pizza from the night before. No eggs, no fresh coffee. He drinks a cold soda and runs out the door. He is the stressed person everyone knows.
That is a great contrast, Carla. Now, let's talk about the people we work with. Everyone knows a workaholic.
A workaholic. That's a person who works too much, right?
Yes, I have a friend named Sarah. She's a manager. Sarah is very hardworking, but maybe too much.
What is her day like at the office?
Well, she arrives at the office at 7:30 a.m. She sits at her big black desk. She has 3 computer monitors. Can you imagine? 3!
Why does she need 3?
1 for emails, 1 for her schedule, and 1 for her projects. She is always typing. Tap, 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 tap. She types very fast. When I talk to her, she doesn't look at me. She looks at the screen.
That's a bit rude, but I guess she is focused.
She is very focused. For lunch, she doesn't go to a restaurant. She stays at her desk. She eats a small salad from a plastic box. She drinks a lot of water. She has a big blue bottle on her desk.
Does she ever relax?
Only at 8 p.m. She's the last person to leave the office. She turns off the lights. She locks the door. Click, She is very serious. She doesn't tell jokes. She only talks about deadlines and reports.
I know someone the opposite of Sarah. My friend Toby. Toby is the office clown.
Oh, the person who makes everyone laugh.
Yes, Toby is very cheerful and outgoing. He arrives at 9 a.m., but he doesn't go to his desk. First, he goes to the water cooler. He talks to everyone. Hey, Josh, how's your dog? Hey, Carla, do you like your shoes?
He sounds very friendly.
He is, but he doesn't do much work. His desk is full of toys and funny pictures. He spends 2 hours for lunch. He goes to a cafe, eats a big burger, and talks to the waiters.
Is his boss angry with him?
Sometimes, but Toby's so charming that everyone forgives him. He makes the office a happy place.
Oh, wait a second. My phone is ringing. Let me see. Oh, it's Mike, the late friend we talked about at the beginning.
Answer it. Let's hear what he says.
Hey, Mike, you're on the podcast.
Hi, Mike.
Mike, where are you? We were supposed to meet for lunch at 1 p.m. It is 1:15 now.
See? Everyone knows the Mike.
Mike, where are you? You're at the dentist, but we planned this a week ago. Okay. See you at 2? Fine. Bye, Mike. Hangs up.
So Mike is unreliable but kind.
Yes, he is very kind. He apologized 10 times, but he is very forgetful. He forgets dates, he forgets names, and he definitely forgets the time.
Let's stop for a moment and look at the words we use. This is our vocabulary spotlight.
Good idea. We used a lot of adjectives today to describe personalities. Let's repeat them for our listeners.
First, we had organized. Josh, you are organized. You have a plan, you have a routine.
And we had disorganized, like Carla's brother Leo. He loses his keys, he is messy.
Then we had hardworking. Sarah, the manager, is hardworking. She works long hours.
The opposite is lazy, someone who doesn't want to work or move.
We also used outgoing. Toby, the office clown, is outgoing. He likes people, he is social.
And the opposite is shy. A shy person is quiet. They don't like to talk in big groups.
What about punctual?
Oh, that is a great word. Punctual means you arrive at the exact time. 5 o'clock means 5 o'clock.
And Mike is unpunctual or always late.
We also talked about appearance and feelings. Cheerful means happy. Serious means you don't laugh much.
Let's practice a daily routine sentence. I usually wake up at 7. Josh, why do we use usually?
Great question. Usually is an adverb of frequency. It means maybe 80 or 90% of the time. We use it for routines. I always drink coffee. I never eat fish for breakfast.
Listeners, try to say it with us. I always study English.
Very good. And remember the present simple. He works, she eats, it smells. Don't forget the S.
Part 5, conclusion and outro.
We are coming to the end of our show. We talked about a lot today.
We did. Let's summarize the 5 key learning points for our Radio English family.
Point 1. Use adjectives to describe personality. Words like kind, organized, and cheerful help people understand who you are talking about.
Point 2, use the present simple for routines. I wake up, he drinks, they walk. It's the base of talking about your life.
Point 3, use adverbs of frequency. Always, usually, often, sometimes, and never. They tell us how common an action is.
Point 4, use sensory details. Don't just say, I make coffee. Talk about the smell of the coffee or the noise of the machine. It makes your English much more interesting.
Point 5, don't worry about mistakes. Mike was late, Leo was messy, and Toby didn't work. People are not perfect, and your English doesn't have to be perfect either. Just keep talking.
That is so true, Josh. Now for your homework.
Oh, I love homework. Listeners, here is your task. Think of one friend. Are they an early bird or a night owl? Write 3 sentences about their routine in the comment section on YouTube.
For example, my friend Maria is a night owl. She always stays up late. She never eats breakfast.
We want to read your stories. We read every single comment.
And before we go, if you like this podcast, please subscribe to Radio English on YouTube. Click that red button.
And click the little bell icon for notifications. That way you never miss a lesson.
Thank you for spending this time with us today. You are doing a great job learning English.
Stay happy, stay curious, and keep practicing.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.